Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. There is a figure given over here. In the rectangle above, tangent of angle BAP equals to 1 over 3 and tangent of angle CDP equals to 2 over 5. What is the value of BP over CP? Okay, now let me consider this particular angle over here. That is BAP. So this is the angle we have for BAP, and also since it is a rectangle, at each vertex will have a right angle. So at the vertex B will have right angle over here, at vertex C also will have a right angle. And now let me consider the angle CDP. So this is the angle we are getting over here. Okay, now let's consider the right triangle ABP over here. In this right triangle ABP, considering this angle measure, so which side is opposite side? Clearly, BP is the opposite side because this is a side which is opposite to the given angle measure BAP. And so AP is the hypotenuse because it's opposite to the right angle. Let me write it. And the name of the third side AB is called adjacent side. Okay, let me do the same thing for the right triangle PDC over here. Considering this angle measure, this side PC is considered to be opposite side, and this is a side opposite to right angle. So this is called hypotenuse, and the name of this side, the third side, is adjacent. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to consider this particular stuff, that is tangent angle BAP equals to 1/3. According to Secutor, the formula to find the trigonometric ratio of tangent is opposite side divided by adjacent side. Okay, here the number corresponding to opposite side is 1 and the number corresponding to adjacent side is 3. Now to get the length of opposite side and adjacent side from this ratio, we have to multiply the corresponding numbers by the same non-zero number, say A. So then the length of the opposite side is 1 times A, that is just A. And the length of the adjacent side is, we have to multiply this number, the number corresponding to adjacent side, by the same non-zero number A, that is 3A. Okay, now I got the length of the opposite side and the adjacent side in the right triangle ABP. So what is the length of the opposite side? Is just A. The length of the adjacent side is 3A. Okay, now let me do the same thing for this triangle as well. That is tangent, this stuff. Let me consider this stuff. Tangent angle CDP, which is equal to 2 over 5. So the same formula according to Secutor, that is opposite over adjacent. So in this one, the number corresponding to opposite side is 2. The number corresponding to adjacent side is 5. Okay, now from this ratio, if I want to get the length of opposite side and adjacent side, I have to multiply the terms of the ratio by the same non-zero number. To get the length of opposite side, I have to multiply the number corresponding to opposite side by some non-zero number, say B, then we get 2B as the length of opposite side. And now to get the length of adjacent side, we have to multiply this number 5 by the same non-zero number B, that is 5B. So here the opposite side in this triangle PDB, this right triangle, the length of the opposite side is 2B, the length of the adjacent side is 5B. Okay, our aim is to find the ratio between the two sides BP and CP. So let me write it over here, that is BP over CP equals to, so we know that the length of BP is just A and the length of CP is 2B. So here we have different values A and B. So only if I get A in terms of B, otherwise B in terms of A, I'll be able to simplify this one as a number. So for that, let me consider the two sides of the rectangle AB and DC. These two sides are opposite. So in any rectangle, opposite sides are parallel and also equal in length. So clearly that AB and DC are equal because they are opposite sides of the rectangle. So that means 3A equals to 5B. Okay, now let's solve for A in this equation. For that, we have to divide both sides by 3. When I do so, this 3 will cancel. I'm getting A equals to 5B divided by 3. Okay, now what I can do is I can plug in this 5B over 3 for A over here. Let me do it. 5B over 3 divided by 2B. And we can consider this 2B also as a fraction by taking denominator 1. Then we get 5B over 3. Now I can change this division as multiplication. Then I have to get reciprocal for this one. When I get reciprocal for this 2B over 1, I'm getting 1 over 2B. So here this B will cancel out. Then 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 2 is 6. Okay, now I got the value of the fraction BP over CP. Its value is 5 over 6.